welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have for you a Wantable box. Some of you are going to say to me, Carolyn, I thought you weren't going to do any of these styling services that charge for a box. Well, they sent me another coupon. So as you know, I can't refuse a coupon. So they sent me another $25 off if they ordered a box. So I ordered a box. I went through their stream and I made sure there were things that I liked on their stream, and I liked a whole bunch of stuff. And guess what? I got a good box. So I'm gonna go over with you everything that I got, and you guys are gonna help me make a decision. First I get this box and I get this poofy thing in it. I'm like, what is this? So this is not something I requested. I did not see anything like this on the stream. It is a faux leather puffer jacket in cream, size extra small, by Bagatelle. It is faux leather. It is nice and puffy and lined. Let's see if I can see what it is made out of. So the shell is polyurethane. The backing here is polyester. It's 5%, the lining is polyester. The backing, I don't know exactly what that is. And the filling is polyester. The care instructions, good question. Do not dry clean, only clean with a damp cloth. Do not wash, do not iron. Okay? So I was really excited to see this, and you're like, well, Carolyn, why do you want this? Well, because I watch a lot of fashion bloggers on YouTube and sometimes follow their blogs, and supposedly faux leather puffer coats are in. Now, I already got the ivory faux fur, and I have not worn it yet. I have my Sherpa that I got from Ever Eve that I do wear when it's a little bit like in the 50s and 60s, so I have that already. I have a Calvin Klein in kind of like a champagne or light pink, you know, ivory-ish color from last year. So do I need this? No. Are we at the end of the season? Yes. Why would I want this? Well, because they're supposedly in style and they look cute. And then I looked at the price. The price of this is only $42. So I'm like, you know, I love ivory coats, you know, ivory or black. I do want a camel wool coat. It's been on my bucket list for a while. I'm gonna try this on. I have a feeling it's gonna make me look like a giant marshmallow, and then it will be an easy return because I don't need it. It's the end of the season. It will probably be out of style next year. But if this was like sent to me in December and if it looks good and it was $42, you bet I would have picked it up. But you know, it's now March and we're getting like 50-something degree days. So I'm very excited to receive this. I'm glad she sent it. I want to try it on to see how it looks, but I'm thinking it's probably going back as of now, but we'll see. $42 is really a great price. Then next up is something that I did request. It's the mixed media hoodie with sweater sleeve in blush blue. I love the colors of this. This is so pretty in terms of the colors. Even the drawstring in the pink doesn't bother me that much. I mean, it matches or coordinates at the top. The sleeves are a sweater material. The inside, I guess you would consider it a sweatshirt, but it's not fleece, it's French terry. This is by Skies Are Blue. Let's see if I can find what the material is made out of. It is 63% polyester, 34% rayon, 3% spandex. And the contrast is 74% acrylic, 22% polyester, 4% spandex. Hand wash cold separately. Do not bleach, reshape flat to dry. So I would probably put this in a garment bag and wash this on delicate. Now, maybe I would hand wash depending on how ambitious I am. It is $68. Now keep in mind I paid $20 for the box, plus I have a $25 credit. So I would only have to pay the difference on this now. So this is cute. I like it. I will try it on, see how it looks. Do I need it? No, but it is cute. Next up is this sweater, also by Skies Are Blue. Also something I requested. It's the Watercolor Effect tie-dye sweater in white line navy. Again, $68, okay? When I read this, this is 60% viscose, 40% cotton, hand wash cold separately, do not bleach, do not wring, reshape to dry flat, cool iron if needed. Requested it, it's cute. Do I like it? Yes. I'll have to see it on me. It does seem to have a high crew neck and does seem to be kind of boxy, so I'll have to see how it looks on. But the overall look of the tie-dye and the navy and the colors, I think it's kind of fun and springish. And it's a good spring sweater. Okay, up next is the floral scarf in red in Elegance Essence. Apparently I requested this. It is $34. And I don't know why I requested this. It's okay, nothing wrong with it. It doesn't really excite me. I don't say, ooh, this is a pretty pattern. This is Elegant Essence is the name brand, and it is $34. I guess I'll try and style this for you, but this is probably going back. This doesn't excite me. The pattern is just, oh, okay. All right. Next up, something else I requested apparently. And they looked more exciting online than when I got them in person. These are the Joan Teardrop Earring by Wantable. Now, I love Wantable. These were $19, and honestly, I mean, they're really quite boring. They just don't excite me. It's like a grayish, greenish stone, probably more kind of greenish. I mean, it's a pretty stone, and they're cute. Nothing wrong with them, just nothing that makes me say, wow, I need to have these. And again, they're on sale. They're originally $38, they're $19. I'm gonna show them again. I'm not even gonna try them on. I wanna keep them nice for the next person. So I'm just gonna put them back here and put them back in the little bag. They're cute, but just not worth it to me. Okay, now I requested from every styling box Vigos jeans. Why? Well, I sent the last ones back from Wantable, and I asked for the same ones back, and I didn't get the same ones back, and I asked all my other styling services for Vigos jeans too, because, or Vigos, I don't know how you say it, because I really regret sending the ones back. I've tried on a pair from Stitch Fix, and I really liked them. I tried on the ones from Wantable last month, and I sent them back, and I really regret it, because I really like these jeans. These jeans are just a distressed, darker, wash with distressing, mild distressing. Now there's nothing wrong with these, but they're not the same ones as I had last month, and I don't know if they're gonna fit like the same ones last month. These are, again, a 24. I really wish they would send me a 25. I'll try them on, but I have a feeling I'll be like a stuffed sausage in these. But they're cute, I like them. I just kind of wish they were a different silhouette than a skinny, because, you know, skinnies are out now. Not that I'm not gonna wear my skinnies, I'm still going to wear my skinnies. I just like something new, a different silhouette, try something new. Okay, also something that I apparently requested last year, and I don't really want anymore, I guess I gotta go through my list, are these tapered trousers in deep coral for $89. I am definitely not keeping these. These are cute, there's nothing wrong, button fly zip, other than that, flat front, no pockets, faux pockets here in the back, okay? The reason why I won't keep these, I mean, they're cute, then they're rolled here at the bottom, but you can unroll them if you want. I got a pair of pretty bright coral jeans from ThredUp, and I'll bring them down to show you to compare. And I just cannot justify another pair, especially this bright color. And honestly, even though I might consider a bright color on the bottom, because these are really bright, I wouldn't buy them for $89. To me, that is too much, to be honest with you. So I already know that these are gonna go back, but you know, pretty much everything else is fair game. I mean, this is fair game, okay? This might be up. Returning the jewelry, gonna return the scarf. This is fair game, all right? This is fair game. And even the coat is fair game, all right? So I'm pretty excited about this box. This is a pretty good box for me. All right, give me a little while. I actually have to go back to my regular job, and probably around lunchtime, I'm hoping I'll have a little bit of time to film. Okay, everyone, it has been days since I've opened this box, and this is the first time I'm able to try on clothes. So this is the faux leather puffer jacket in cream, size extra small for $42 by Bagatelle. It's cute, I like it. It is very roomy, it's an extra small, and I have to say it is a big extra small. Like I could put a big bulky sweater under this and still have plenty of room to snap it up. So I will snap it up for you so you can see what it looks like.
you know, only when I'm outside for extended times do I typically snap up my jacket because I'm just lazy that way. I really don't like jackets, period. I just find them really annoying. You let me know. It's $42, but you can't clean it. There's no way to clean this thing. They're like spot clean, and it's ivory. It has the pockets. This is the back of it. Like I said, I'd most likely wear it open. It's only $42. It's very on trend. It's cute. Do I need it? Absolutely not. So, but on the other hand, I got $45 to spend. The $20 styling fee plus the $25 that I got off. All right, you guys gonna have to let me know. What do I do about this jacket? Can't clean it. It's end of season, and all I have is a collection of ivory coats. But it's only $42 and it's cute. All right, next up is the Skies Are Blue sweater. This is a lightweight, like springtime sweater. It is not a heavy sweater. The weave is almost like thin on it. And it's called the Water Effect Tie-Dye Sweater in white lime navy, $68. I did request this. It's cute. I like it. I would say it's also very on trend. It would be a good thing to wear like from now until like even May here in New Jersey. With it, I have these Vigos jeans that are a size too small. They're the jaggy, skinny, destructed, dark wash jean, size 24 for $68 by Vigos, however you want to call them. Yeah, I'm too old to be wearing jeans this tight. They were, I mean, like I had to really suck it in to like button and zip them. You can see here, it's like pulling here at the hip area. This is my widest part, is my hips right here. And it tends to be when I do gain weight to where I carry my weight like an inner tube around this way. But it's just way too tight. And you can see I probably have pancake butt because they're just squashing me to death. And as I was wearing them, I could hear the distressing start to break at the knee. So these are a definite no. If they were sent in my size, I would probably have kept them because that's all I'm wearing these days are jeans. And I'm kind of getting sick of the ones I have. And I need to go through them and get rid of ones that I'm just not wearing and don't like. I like these, but yeah, they're too small and too old. I also have more jeans coming in my trunk. I think I might have one coming in my Stitch Fix. I might do a Trendsend. So these are going to be a no for now. And maybe next month I'll ask for more jeans. Okay, sweater is a maybe. Jacket, you're going to have to let me know. All right, next up, I'm going to try on the other tie-dye sweatshirt. Okay, next up is this tie-dye, I'll call it a sweatshirt. They are calling it the Mixed Media Hoodie with Sweater SLV, sweater sleeve, blush blue, size extra small by Skies Are Blue. This is also $68. Well, obviously I like the name brand Skies Are Blue, and I've known that. I never heard of that name brand until I started shopping with Stitch Fix, and they introduced me to it, and I do like the name brand. So this is a sweater sleeve in like a pinkish oatmeal-ish color. So I'll come close so you can see it. It's kind of like a light pink, like a blush, okay? And then the front part of it, again, it's mixed material, so this is like just like a regular knit, and it has blush and blues and some like peachy oranges in here. I like it. I think it's really cute. It's a good casual piece for me to, again, wear now in March up through like May, because it can be chilly here in New Jersey. Let me know what you think. I'm like this or the sweater or the jacket. I'm happy with all of them. I still have to see the footage back to see if I like them. Jeans are a no. The earrings are a no. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I got 2 more pieces to try on. So what do you think? All right, I'm gonna need help with this. This is cute. I'm trying to think about what am I gonna be regretting sending back. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try on the pants. Okay, up next are the pants that they sent in this bright coral color. I would wear pants this color. However, these are $89. I would not pay for pants $89 in this color. These are the tapered trouser in deep coral by Meritage. Apparently I requested this back in August of 2020. Since then, I've gotten from ThredUp these, and yes, they're a slightly different shade, but I'd be styling them the same way. These are between like a coral and a red. There's no way that I would buy $89 for these. These are also very thin. I styled it with just a navy blue top that I have and a necklace that was my own, and these are extremely thin and unforgiving. So I kind of took a quick look in the mirror. I'm going to show you my rear end because I think that's the part that's pretty unflattering. I think you see all the cellulite on the back of my legs. So here you go. Yeah, this is a very thin, stretchy material. So while I think they fit and they feel comfortable, there was no squeezing into them, I just don't think they're very flattering because they're a very thin, clingy fabric. And very soft too. But yeah, I do not see the $89 price tag in these at all. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to just throw on the scarf because I don't think it warrants a whole new outfit. And no, this doesn't go together, but I would like to show it to you just to demonstrate what it looks like to you. All right, it is a very, very big scarf, okay? It's pretty, and no, I would not wear it with these pants. I think the color is off. But, you know, it's not pretty enough for me to spend my money on. You know, I wanted to style it a little bit for you. Actually, that was not good. Let's do it this way. Okay. It's pretty. I like it. I just don't love it. So it's now down to the pastel tie-dye, the lime blue sweater, which one thing I have to say about that sweater, I kind of see it stretching out, but I really like it. So if I wash it, I have to be very careful of how I wash it. And the jacket. And keep in mind, I have $45 credit to use. So let me know, what are your thoughts? What should I keep? I got 3 items. I could just keep the jacket and that would be my $45. Or I can buy all 3 pieces, I think. I have enough money to do that. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts, what you do in my situation. Okay, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked my channel, give this video a like, subscribe, that notification bell down to the right-hand side, and then click the notification bell. That way you get notified of future videos from me. Thank you, take care, and until next time.